evening guys, I hope you're well. In this video I will show you how to install a universal armrest. I hope you like this video. Here it is. Let's try open it. Yo, it actually looks good. So let's just take it out. Yo, that's quite nice. Do a lot with this. I'll show you later on in this video. Now this will come with the armrest and these parts. I'm about to show you. So this and also this. The first thing you want to do is get this piece and just place it on top. You want to screw it in. So I've already screwed one in with the Phillips screwdriver, and it should look something like this. You need this piece right here, and using the small screws that it came with, screw it on like so. So you just put the screws inside. You can, there we go. Once it's inside, you need one of these to screw on to the other side. So you can just hand tighten it. So you have to screw in like so. Now we've got it nice and screwed. We'll repeat these steps again with the other side. So I've just screwed these two bolts in, and this is what it looks like from the inside, same as this side. You want to mark out before you actually screw in the hole. So I've just marked it, and now I'm just screwing in before I actually attach the armrest, and now unscrew it. So now you've made yourself a hole, so it makes it a lot easier. So now I'll put the armrest back on, and I'm just going to screw it tight. Like so. There we go. Nice and tight. But you don't want it too tight as well, because you don't want to loosen the hole. But that should do for now. Now just screw in this bit. So now you're on to screwing your front side. You do the same with the other side. Just tighten the screw. There we go. So guys, that's the armrest completed. Looks modern, just like a modern car. And I'll show you from behind. Make sure you check my Instagram out. And yeah, this is the update I've done to my car. I've added a few stickers, and I've also re-tinted my rear light so it's not as dark anymore. I'll probably show you that in another video. Anyway, this is what it looks like from behind. So it's quite nice, gives a modern look to your car. I would recommend it. So guys, this is the armrest finally completed. Now you can do a lot with this. It has a decent amount of storage. I will link it down in the description down below, so please check it out if you want this. And yeah, it looks really good, it looks modern, gives a modern look to your car. And yeah, you can just sit down, lean on it, and if you don't feel like it's right, you can slide it forward. So it is adjustable. And also, if you don't want that, you feel like you don't want to use it, just fold it. Now it's out of your way, you can do your thing. And also it has decent amount of storage in here, so you know, it's good for everything. So I've got the wallet here, and yeah, it's good storage. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. There'll be more mods coming soon. I know it's been a while since I recently uploaded, and yeah, please like, subscribe, and I'm out. Peace.